Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm going to keep things on the straight and level with you. Well, Johnson level that is. I'm here at House of Tools at their new workshop, and this is a new line for House of Tools. They're starting to carry now the Johnson level, and I got to tell you, I went to their website to see how many levels they have, and I lost count, over 75. They have levels of all different sizes, shapes. I'm going to call this old school or analog. They got a lot of digital ones that we'll be showing you in the future. But this particular one is a box level. It's heavy duty. And this one happens to be part number 9550-4800. It's a 48-inch long level here. And here you have on both ends the vertical. So if you're doing a vertical movement, you can see it from either side of the level. Also has the horizontal here, and as you can see, whatever angle you're at, you're going to be able to read that real well. In fact, this bubble is very large, and I don't have my reading glasses, and I can see that thing perfectly. So that's really nice. They also talk about it never fogs, and that's going to be nice because I have one of my dad's old levels, and sure enough, it's foggy, and you can't see half of what's going on inside the bubble. So hopefully this thing does last a lifetime. And this particular one here, also it's a machined out of aluminum, and when you feel it, it feels really nice. This is heavy duty, and it's got rubber here on the grip, so it's nice and soft when you go to carry it. And a feature that I'm really not sure about, I'm going to have to do more research, but the end caps can come off. So these can come off, and then they pop right back on here. It's not too hard, and they clip on. Also has some rare earth magnets here. So this is magnetic, and here with this screwdriver you can see how it does that. So if you're a guy who works on metal and you want this to clip to some type of metal, it will stick to it very easily with the magnet, so that's nice. If you're a woodworker, no problem. This will work just fine, or work on aluminum or whatever surface you're using. So come to House of Tools and let's check out all the Johnson levels that they have there. And as always, if you can like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. It helps us keep growing the channel. So keep things on the straight and level, guys. See you later.